Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with topic trigonometric ratios of class 10th CBSE pattern. So here we are going to deal with second question guys. If sin A equal to 3 by 5, then find cos A tan A. Cos A comma tan A. Okay. Draw a rough right angle triangle. So slant is hypotenuse, opposite is opposite side. The base is adjacent guys. So how can we find the unknown value? First of all, the sine value is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse mention the values 3 and 5. We need to find the adjacent value. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find adjacent side. So we get AB equal 4 guys. AB equal 4 units. Then we need to find cos A and tan A. What is cos A? Cos A nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, whereas tan A nothing but sine by cos, nothing but opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent side. Okay, first adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent is 4, hypotenuse is 5, 4 by 5. Okay, now tan is nothing but sine by cos, or we can write opposite by adjacent side. We get opposite 3, adjacent 4, so 3 by 4 guys. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.